Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 24th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily, we cannot deny that these are all higher lows the whole way up, and the trend is up. What does that mean? That means that the trend easily could continue the higher low, higher high series. So just keep in mind, no matter what we see on the sort of time frames, the trend is up, and it could just keep going up. But keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, it does look like it is trying to find some resistance in this area, and it definitely has, that shape that you potentially see at the end of almost every trend. We do not have a breaker structure. The breaker structure for me is what's going to confirm a much bigger move to the downside. But I do have my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. If you do see one, two, three waves up to a fib level, a nice engulfing move to the downside, you could possibly try to take it as a short, and then if it goes down a break structure, then possibly we'll get another pullback and more sorting opportunities later on. Just keep in mind that none of this has to happen. That's why I started off on the daily telling you that this could easily just keep on going up, which is why for me personally, I have a hard time recommending any shorts, at least until price goes down and proves that we're making a move down with a breaker structure to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.